guys, welcome back to my channel in Colorado, Glenwood Springs to be exact. This is literally I've already worked worked 3 shifts already, so this is not like the first day I came. It was just a lot going on when I first came. The water wasn't on, I couldn't take a shower. I have a private bathroom, but it was in the middle of being fixed, and I had to stay on top of them about that because I'm very big on like my shower, my bathroom, just cleanliness. My room was good when I got here. It was like I had fresh pillowcase, fresh sheets, fresh comforter. The room smelled good, nice and clean. And I'll show you guys that later on in the vlog. I made it my own, but the bathroom, my private bathroom, was what I was very like upset about, because I'll show you a before picture and then I'll show you an after video. You'll see it somewhere up here, an after video of the bathroom that I had to fix, and I'll also show you guys this in the vlog. But so it was just a little stuff that was frustrating me when I got here at first, because for this contract I work with the facility, I don't work with an agency. So you know, I was disappointed when I came and I seen that certain things wasn't up to par. And I'm like, if you knew that I was coming, why wasn't it? And I know that the rest of the CNAs complain about it, so it's not only me. But besides that, I just finished deep cleaning. I'm off today. I just finished deep cleaning. Sorry, my lips is a little dry. I just finished deep cleaning and making the room my own and making my bathroom so I could show you guys everything. But today is I got here April 11th and it is April 17th. So I've been here a few days now. The job itself is not really hard. You know, it's an average CNA job. I work nights this time. Like at my last assignment in in Wisconsin, Whitewater, I had a flexible schedule where I had to work like 2 doubles, like they told me what to work, like doubles, then nights, days, doubles, like all of that. So my body was tired. But this assignment, I get 3 days a week. I work 3 days a week. I asked for 4, but I got 3 days. Maybe later on I'll get 4. 3 12-hour shifts a week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then I'm off for the rest of the 4 days, and I get a pay every 2 weeks, and I get a $5,000 bonus along with signing on to work here. So my bonus is going to be paid in 6 payments on each check, so that's a great thing. I'm excited about that. But yeah, so far y'all, it's not that bad. Colorado where I am is gorgeous. Like it looks like paintings. Like the mountain is literally right behind my apartment and it looks like paintings, and it's just really beautiful. I haven't really done any like exploring because I just got here and I kind of don't want to go alone. But my boyfriend meet me out here. He was supposed to come with me because here you can bring your loved one animal. There's a lot of dogs here. There's a family here, so you can bring your significant other if you choose. You just have to talk to the person that, you know, hired you. So my boyfriend might come in like May and stay with me for like a month or so. Maybe he might stay for the whole contract, maybe stay for a month or so. But yeah, y'all, I'm here, I'm working, I'm making my money. This is a 13-week contract, so I'll be back home in like July. It's my day off. It's my second day off. I was off yesterday, I'm off today, and I have 2 more days off because I'm off for 4 days. And I know you're probably like, girl, that's 4 days you off, you're not making no money. You really are making money, because if you really think about it, if you're working 3 or 4 shifts a week, 12-hour shifts, that's already like 40 hours a week, pretty much. That's full time. It's just that it seems smaller because it's the 12 hours that makes it seem smaller. Instead of 8-hour shifts, it's just straight 12s. This is my first time doing an overnight shift. Y'all know I'm usually day shift. The last facility I worked in New York when I was home was day shift. And then before that I had worked PM shift, but I never did overnight. So I actually love it, honestly. Like, you know, once you put all the residents to bed, they're in bed by like 8, 9. Then you have like 2 or 3 that like to go to bed at like 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. After that, you're just answering call lights of people that like want like ice and water, or the remote fell on the floor, or they need a medication from the nurse. And then after that, me and my other CNA, because there's only 2 CNAs on the floor at nights, we do one more round where we change everybody that needs to be changed that's not independent. And then after that, I kind of just sit and relax until like 6 o'clock. Because like at 5, we start doing rounds, and then at 6, that's when I'm off. That's when I clock out. Then the other shift comes in. I give them like a mini report on anything crazy that changed, and I clock out and go home. Because it's a 12-hour shift, if I was to do day, I would have to serve 3 meals in the day shift. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. By the time I get there at 6, dinner is already served. Everybody's fed. Everybody just needs to get ready for bed and get their ice and stuff like that. And yeah, night shift is very much easy breezy here. If you're wondering, Tay is here as well, because I know a lot of people was asking about him. He's here. He's good. He lives upstairs. I live downstairs, and we work 2 different days. So when he's at work, I'm not at work. When I'm at work, he's not at work. So we don't really see each other or bump into each other much. But yes, we still talk, and he is doing well. Yeah, so I'm here till July, y'all. I just been watching new Netflix shows and just getting up to date on social media, because I be so tired from work. I don't be wanting to do nothing but sleep, honestly. Like, I'll come home after my overnight shower, take my medication at night, my Seroquel, my antipsychotic that I gotta take, because I usually have to take that at night, but because I work overnight, I take it in the morning. And then I'm out until like 3. I wake up, and if I have to work again, go to work. If not, I'm just watching Netflix and just on my phone, really. But I'm happy to be here to make money, because that's the main goal. I have a goal of how much money I want to make when I get back to New York, and I will hit that goal. I plan to do overtime if it's available, because I believe it is available. But they have a lot of employees right now, so let's see. But I'm definitely open to doing overtime, because I have nothing else to do. Yeah, just making as much money as I can while I'm here. Okay guys, so here's a tour of the house. This is when you walk in. I'm going to show you, that's the guy's tools that was doing my bathroom. I just finished deep cleaning my bathroom because it looked at a damn mess when I got here. So I sprayed it out. That's me. I put my products and stuff in the cabinet. I got a shower curtain because I didn't have one before. A carpet, a little garbage can. Yes, the top of my toilet seat is missing. I'm waiting for them to fix that. But yeah, this is my bathroom that I made my own because it looked crazy before, child. And we're gonna go right into my room after this. This is me walking into my room. The room came with a fridge. I did a little grocery shopping as much as I could while I'm here. I bought a toaster because they didn't have one. The room came with a heater because it gets kind of cold in here. This is my closet. It pulls shut. And then I'm gonna turn around and show you guys my filming equipment that I have. I bought a curtain from home, and I just put it on top of the other curtain because it wasn't that thick. That's the chair that it came in. That's my bed. Little window right there. I have a TV where I have Netflix, HBO Max, all of that. I have my dresser drawer, all my products on top, and that's pretty much my room, you guys. That's me. Room also comes with a nice little lamp, so you know, it comes with a big light that you can have on, and the lamp, which I think is cool. So now I'm going to show you guys outside of my room. We're going to go to like the area where I actually come into, because I live downstairs, not upstairs. Okay, here we are outside. This is the mountains, literally behind the house. It's really pretty. The sun is shining really bright, so if you can't see, I apologize because it is all in my face, child. But what you're looking at right now is like mountains, literally mountains. This is the area where I go in to the back of my apartment. It's not the most desirable. It's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of cleaning that needs to be done. But listen, I'm only here for 13 weeks, so I'm only focused on my room and my area, and that's that. But yes, it's very quiet out here. I come out here to just sit down and like talk on my phone. That's me looking all cute with my skin glowing and my lip gloss popping. Um, the sun is in my eyes, so I can't really see, and I left my shades inside. But yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. I'm loving Colorado. If you guys have any like good places where I could go eat food or anything like that, let me know. But yeah, you guys, I'm loving it here so far. Now we're back inside. I wanted to show you guys the kitchen area, which is like chow. This is the sink. It's just a lot of stuff going on right now. I don't cook because there's really no stove. That's the sink, just shit inside of it, random stuff. Listen, y'all, I do the best I can, but this is not the most desirable living situation. I think this is the worst I've ever had on an assignment, honestly. Yeah, this is the worst. But listen, like I said, I'm here for 13 weeks, so, and this is me. That's the bathroom, as I showed you guys. And this area right here, I don't really spend too much time on. I'm going to actually show you guys more in. That's somebody else's room. You keep walking. That's another person's room. It's like 15 rooms in this whole house. You turn. That's the washing machine and stuff that is not working currently, child. Don't ask. That's a random, I don't know what that is. And that's somebody else's room. And then we have somebody else's room at the end. And yeah, this house is really, this is all downstairs pretty much. They have an upstairs too, but I won't show you guys that because I don't live up there. So I'll just show you guys the downstairs, and this is the area right here. But yeah, you guys, that's the end of this video. This is the tour of my place. Let me know what you guys think. But, you know, give me any questions you have below. I'm going back in my room, and I will see you guys in my next video. But thank you for watching.